Welcome to the first step. Set up and customize your workspace. Begin with a unique name for your new workspace. Next, set up your brand for a personalized TeamPal experience. Our AI assistant creates a custom brand description for your business by entering a URL or uploading a PDF. Once the results comes, you can double-check. These information will be automatically inputted into Agent Team, ensuring they're all on board with your business. Congrats, you finished a very important step. Once set up, every AI agent automatically understands your business and delivers on-brand results from day one. No more repetitive briefings needed. Build your workspace now.